Well, John, good win today. Your verdict on that one, folks?
Yeah, I think we deserved the victory, didn't we, to be honest. Really pleased with my players. I thought they were outstanding to a man. We've had a couple of injuries and niggles coming into the game today and picked up another one today as well. But that said, everyone's raring to go every game that we play at the moment, and I think it's fantastic to see. I'm privileged to watch us play, especially the way we did first half. I thought we were outstanding. I thought we were absolutely superb, defended really well, created numerous opportunities, and to be fair, I think Fflint's probably gone away with man of the match today, even losing 2-0. So I think we were really, really good, really impressed with my players, and I think it comes down to attitude and hard work, and they managed to show that in abundance today.
Well, he's not meant to be today. Some of your feelings at the end of that one, folks?
Just got beat by a better team, and that's what I've just said to the players is, the goals are quite easily we can point fingers, but it's not the time to do it. And sometimes players just got to look on a game of football and just say, Connah's gave a better than us to a man. And from the start to the end, I thought second half we had a little go, but Jack kept us in a few more goals to the good. Jack done well with good saves, but yeah, January's got to come round very quickly for us because, as we said, some performances there today, just acceptance in the players. Are sometimes players are actually better than you.
Well, as the good run continues, give us your verdict on the game today.
Yeah, I thought we were really good, to be fair. Think we deserved the win. We had loads of chances, to be fair. I think a few of us are gutted to come off only scoring one or not scoring. I think we should have probably scored more, but like I say, keeper had a good game for them, to be fair. And yeah, but we take the win and happy days.